All right, we're at 25 past. I am super excited for all these teams. The next one up is the Summit team, and Brooke is going to present. Take it away, Brooke.
Great, thank you so much. So I am Brooke Gardner from the Summit Consulting team. And for this tech sprint, we have put together a project called the Tidyhouse package. This package serves to streamline HMDA data accessibility. So the Summit Consulting team, Summit Consulting is a management consulting and data science firm. And we've been working with HMDA data across many different projects for many different purposes for almost a decade. The team that we've put together for this tech sprint combines individuals from across the firm with backgrounds in data science, mortgage finance, and fair lending analytics. We've been really excited to participate in this tech sprint, not only because we get to work with our great colleagues from across the firm that we don't always necessarily work with on a day-to-day basis, but we also get to implement a solution to a problem that we've had for years and really make our own lives easier. So what Tidyhouse does is makes it easier and quicker to access the HMDA database. So we make our own lives easier, but we also really democratize the data availability process, making it easier for anyone to access HMDA data. So to give you a little bit more information about what Tidyhouse does, I'll pass it off to my colleague Connor to explain how we make this, how we bring down these barriers to HMDA data and make it easier to access.
Thanks, Brooke, and hello to everyone who's watching around the world. As previously mentioned, accessing the HMDA data is a pain for many of our colleagues here at Summit, and we're pretty sure we're not the only ones feeling this pain. Currently, if you want to use the HMDA data, first, you have to decide how you're going to access it, either by manual CSV or a sophisticated API pull down. Then you have to import it into your program before merging data sets or applying any filters you might want, and then you can finally conduct your analysis. The objective of our Tidyhouse package is to short circuit the whole process and convert these 4 steps into just 2. So what is our package? What does this solution offer for its users? Tidyhouse allows users to seamlessly import a tailored and customizable data set ready for analysis straight out of the box. Not only did we build a package for our users to take advantage of, but we also integrated the same functionality into a Python function for users who are more familiar with Python Pandas data frames. In either language and with just one line of code, users can filter for parameters including state, year, borrower race, loan action taken, and filing institution. Tidyhouse saves users the hassle of dealing with API pull-downs, which have been a barrier preventing less experienced data scientists from accessing HMDA to begin with. Say you're an entry-level researcher tasked with utilizing the HMDA data in some way. How would you use our package? Once you download Tidyhouse into your working environment and open up your interpreter, then you can use something like the Python example code presented here, which pulls aggregated data from Oregon in 2019. Then, as you can see from the table, we've got the number of loans and the sum total dollar value for those loans broken down by loan action and race. Perhaps the most important functionality built into this tool is the option to specify data type. Tidyhouse enables users to choose from aggregated data, as displayed here, or if you would instead like data on filing institutions or even the individual loan level data, you can get that too. Simply specify in the type parameter right in the code. The best thing about Tidyhouse is that all this functionality is available in just one simple line of code, which is pretty much the same across the 2 languages, making the richness of the HMDA data available to more people than ever, even for the most novice level coders. Now I'm going to pass you back to Brooke for our plans on developing Tidyhouse further.
Okay, looks like your audio is still muted.
Thanks.
There we go.
So as you can see, Tidyhouse already has a whole host of functionality, but Summit's committed to building out this tool and building out the functionality. Some improvements we are already considering are integrating more filters and parameters, adding additional output capabilities, and allowing users to specify output type. We are already working on building out the documentation as well to really actualize this data democracy that we are envisioning. So what is the impact? So not only will Tidyhouse make our lives easier and make it more efficient to access the data, but what it does is really makes this data set, which has been the workhorse of the fair lending community, accessible to more people than ever. So this will increase the opportunities for analyses and future people to get involved with the HMDA data set, which is really important. So I think that's it. So we have some time for questions.